testimonials, that's something that's very important. Getting testimonials from your customers. Say you own a restaurant, right? And somebody just had a great dinner. Why not get a little video of them saying, oh my God, I just had the best dinner at blah, blah restaurant. Or, oh, hey, I just got my lawnmower repaired. Bob just fixed my lawnmower and it was good. He came out, it was done perfectly. Video testimonials work better than online testimonials because it's real, because it's a real person, a real client, and you can see the emotion. You can see the excitement in their eyes when they're talking about your product. And then you upload that everywhere. You upload it to YouTube. You upload it to Facebook. You upload it to your website. That's something that's really important. Anytime you get a good review, share it. Put a link on your website to it or put the verbiage on your website. It helps your SEO as well. But testimonials, video testimonials, make sure that if you're going to put it on YouTube, that you do it horizontally, not up and down. That way it'll fit in the YouTube screen better for a testimonial. If you're going to put it on Facebook or make a TikTok out of it, then have it vertical. So you just want to figure out when you're making that review, what media and what medium you're going to be placing that into.
So a little bit of planning ahead of time will make sure that the format fits and that you can get the most mileage out of it. That's another really good tip to have.
Exactly. And before you do the video, tell the person, okay, we're going to do a little video. Here's what I want you to say in your own words. Hi, my name is blah, blah, blah. I just had blah, blah, blah from blah, blah, and we had a blah, blah, blah experience. That way, they're not just sitting there going, okay, what do I say? You kind of guide them to what you want them to say.